Welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 173. This was the 19th of February 2023, a Sunday. Did exercise 45 minutes on the treadmill with a 6-minute jog. Worked on books most of the day. Worked on the insurance business a big part of the day. And had some other solar business and other business that I took care of yesterday on Sunday, day 173. So what I'm grateful for today is I'm grateful for the people who have put together that platform for insurance. They really did a fine job doing that, and it's a great opportunity. It's going to help a lot of people, and it's going to be very, very profitable. I'm very, very excited about this platform that's set up. So that's just another thing that I have, and all my businesses tie in with one another. Being successful in one helps the other ones be successful, and another one can eclipse the other one. So it's not just a single ingredient. It's a recipe. It's a cookbook of ideas and strategies, not just one singular company or opportunity, but a combination to get me to where I want to go, and to help me help other people get to where they want to go. So I'm grateful for all the people who are a part of that program, who put that together. And that's all I have for you today. Like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow.